welcome to another video where we're going to look at more camera equipment. And today we're looking at the D1794-2 or hyphen. So let's open it up and see what we have. So nothing else in the box. Plastic and a cardboard box, simple as that. Nothing too Andoer something. Let's see. So basically, it's a basic tripod stand for your camera. Let's try it on the GH1. So let's go ahead and screw it in and see if it actually is any good. So yeah, now it's screwed in. I noticed these are available on eBay and Amazon in 3 different kinds. You can basically get this version, which has got the red name on the side and the red here, or the black version with nothing else written on it. And there's also another version with a built-in some kind of camera plug system that you plugs into the side of the camera here, where you can actually take pictures without having to touch the camera, which would be interesting, I believe. So basically you can fit this onto the tripod, onto another tripod if that's what you want to do, and basically you hold the camera like this, screen out and hold it. So it's something simple and it keeps the camera steady. A lot more simple than having to hold the camera like this, which it's not really a good way to steady a camera. And yes, simple device really. The old 8mm cameras. So yeah, it basically works and it's perfectly reasonable for the price. Perfectly reasonable. So yeah, I like it. Some people have been up, but it's simple to fit into a camera bag and it's light and can be transported simply. It's got like a, I'm not too sure what kind of, it's got some kind of rubbery feel on here. It looks like it's been coated in some kind of, it's coated in some kind of soft plastic, maybe the same kind that's on the GH1 here, but a lot cheaper version of it. But yeah, it's got like a soft grip, perfectly fits my hand, and it's not moving around easily, yeah. Pretty good camera system. Yeah, I'd recommend it. Yeah, it's perfectly fine for what you could put into your camera bag and use it when you need to. And if you enjoyed that video, please check back for more videos coming soon.